So in this video, I'm going to show you where police got caught red-handed, caught on video. So if you want to watch the video first, tell me what you think in the comment section and see it for the last video, because me I tell you they got caught with their hand in the jar. You see what me I did? So comment in the comment section where you think, are these honest mistakes, is this mishandling, is the police abusing their authority, or what? Make we play the video now.
What is in left in my car? Well, I know. So, in left in my car. So, move for the car, brother. Move for the car. You clip on our back, sir.
So did you see that the police removed the magazine from the back of the vehicle? But let's play the beginning of the interaction to see some context of how they placed it there in the first place.
Personal, my personal recordings. Okay, that's no problem at all. The officers, can get in the name, please? And which station and I catch to? The officers, can get in the name and which station and I catch to, please?
You clip on our back, sir. Just check if noise in our car. I want to them man and my youth. What them do? What's your name?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, come to be a
Waste man, them are yours.
So before we play the next video of the police getting caught on camera, what do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think they honestly just forgot and just left the magazine there in the back seat, or do you think they intentionally planted it there to have an alleged shootout with the young men later down the road? What are your thoughts? Leave them in the comment section. But to show that we are not biased on this side, we are going to list all the potential crimes that the police had committed just by leaving their magazine there.
Of course, here's a recap of the potential crimes. 1, evidence tampering, altering or planting evidence to mislead the investigation. 2, misconduct and breach of professional standards, violating police codes of conduct and professional ethics. 3, violation of civil rights, infringing on the individual's rights to a fair trial, due process, and protection against self-incrimination. 4, obstruction of justice, acting in a way that deliberately misleads or hinders the investigation or legal proceedings. 5, perjury, if any police officers provided false testimony under oath. 6, abuse of power, using their authority to manipulate or fabricate evidence for personal or institutional gain. These are the main categories, and we can definitely dive deeper into any specific one if you need more details.
Is this serving and protecting?
Of course. Then we can go kill him. Oh, jump. Thank you, sir.
So the police was attempting to apprehend someone or put them in custody, but it looks more like they were about to knock their teeth out. But a separate officer saw that someone in a vehicle was recording and went over there and grabbed his phone or her phone out of their hand. So you know, so is that really serving and protecting? You're more concerned with the people who are recording than actually doing your job. Also, you guys already had that individual in custody that there was no need to knock his teeth out. But leave your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think that's an appropriate way to arrest somebody these days? You know, said you have to rough them up when you arrest them, and you know, or is this excessive? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. But let's ask AI.
Absolutely, that's definitely concerning. Here are some potential offences involved. 1, assault and battery. The police officers physically harming the individual, which is a clear violation of the law. 2, illegal seizure of property. Taking the phone without a warrant or an illegal justification is an illegal act. 3, violation of civil rights. The individual's right to record public officials and the right to free speech were infringed upon. 4, obstruction of justice. By preventing the recording, the officers obstructed the documentation of their actions. 5, intimidation and retaliation. The officer's behaviour could be seen as an attempt to intimidate or retaliate against the person recording, which is unlawful. 6, misconduct in public office. Engaging in unethical and illegal behaviour while on duty. These are some of the main potential offences, and they definitely highlight serious issues that could be addressed legally.
Since of all of your eyes, I want to know, why is this gentleman harassing me? That's what I want to know. Why are you harassing me, sir? Yes, I am currently, and I'm going to work. Here are the documents. Hold on. Thank you very much. Oh my God, I knew this was going to happen. You're trying to take away my phone to prevent me from having evidence that you harassed me. And you know that the thing that's get out of my car. Stay out of my car. Stay out of my car. Get out of my car and stop harassing me. Here it is. Can I have my documents, please?